Tuloy kay Lago.
Ito
Abante
yung
si
hustle.
Menendez.
Ito yung hustle ng Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, he's away!
Oh, yes!
Oh, yes, sir! Woo!
Ito na. Nagpapakita na si Berhel Meneses.
Ang sarap ng galaw mo.
You need to double him when he's there down low. Ito na si Meneses. He's not being double teamed and he's going to get away with another 2 points.
Patay
Yes!
na, patay na.
Kung hindi mo i-double team ito si Berhel Meneses, he is going to score.
The glass, pero masyadong matulis. Outlet, Meneses, open court. Here's the aerial Voyager! Yes!
And that's what he does best, partner, in the open court.
Miss ni Glenn Capasio sa ating MCI 105 fast break. The outlet to Verhel Meneses, and watch the aerial Voyager go. He is up, and he is gone. And you just saw our 105-1.